Britney Spears took her sons Sean Preston Federline and Jaden James Federline to Disneyland this weekend to celebrate their birthdays. The Princess of Pop shared photos of her sons and their friends enjoying their time at the happiest place on earth. So much fun celebrating the boys' birthdays at Disneyland yesterday, Brit captioned the photo. Sean and Jaden have birthdays that are just a few days apart. Sean's big day is September 14 and Jaden's birthday is September 12. The two are turning 12 and 11 years old, respectively. But the boys weren't the only ones having all of the fun. The Toxic singer also brought her boyfriend Sam Asghari to the party. The lovebirds met on the set of her music video for Slumber Party and were first rumored to be an item back in November. The pop star shared a photo of her cuddling up to her guy on Instagram. Asghari shared the same photo along with the caption "Happiest man on earth at Disneyland." It looks like Spears and her crew hit up several attractions. The Piece of Me singer took a photo of the kids in front of the sailing ship Columbia at Frontierland within the Disneyland park and snapped a pic of the group in front of the classic Mickey Mouse floral arrangement. The Daily Mail also shared photos of Spears and the boys riding the Radiator Springs Races ride in Cars Land at Disney California Adventure. So, it looks like the birthday group purchased the park hopper option to be able to move from one park to the next easily. Spears caught Prince Sean and Jaden with her ex Kevin Federline. Throwing a party at Disneyland may be tough to beat, but Spears knows how to celebrate birthdays in style. Last year, she threw a Pokemon-themed party for her boys. We hope we get an invite to next year's celebration.